If you're seeing Epic Games error code 402, don't worry. This usually comes down to a stale account token, a bad browser cache, or a network connection issue inside the launcher. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can help refresh your login, clear damaged Webcache files, and reset your network settings so Epic Games can reconnect properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC fixes. Let's jump right in. First, close your game completely if it's open, and then bring up the Epic Games launcher. In the top right corner, click your profile icon and choose Sign Out. This is important because we want to clear out the current login session before rebuilding everything fresh. Next, fully exit the launcher. Don't just minimize it. Look down at the Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Epic Games logo there, right-click it and choose Exit. This makes sure the launcher is completely shut down and not running in the background. Now we're going to clear the launcher cache. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type %local AppData% and click OK. This will open your local AppData folder, where Epic stores some temporary files. Inside this folder, find and open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Then open the saved folder. In here, you should see a folder called Webcache. Right-click it and delete it. If you also see other similar folders like Webcache_4147 or Webcache_430, delete those too. These are all cached browser files that can sometimes cause login errors and connection problems. Once the cache folders are deleted, restart your computer. A full restart helps clear out any lingering processes and gives the launcher a clean start when you log back in. After the restart, open Epic Games again and sign back in with your username and password. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix error code 402. But if you're still seeing the problem, let's move on to the network reset steps. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is very important because the network commands need admin access to work properly. In the Command Prompt window, type Ipconfig Flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can remove old or corrupted network lookup data that may be affecting your connection to Epic's servers. Next, type Netsh Winsock Reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network socket settings, which can help fix deeper connection issues that prevent the launcher from communicating correctly. After running both commands, shut down your computer completely. Don't just restart it if possible. A full shutdown gives your network stack a chance to reset properly. Then turn your PC back on and try launching Epic Games again. At this point, your launcher should have a fresh sign-in session, cleaned cache files, and reset network settings, which together solve most cases of Epic Games error code 402. If you're still having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable and try again after a few minutes. If this guide helped you fix the error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials and PC troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.